Okay, so I'll be reviewing the LUUCO Pro Talker S2 wireless, the digital wireless microphone, which you can see here. And yes, unboxing. There's nothing much in the box, so as you can see, it's right here. So now, to make this video very interesting, I'm going to switch to I'm going to mic myself in order to actually switch from the voice you can hear, which is coming from my phone, to this guy, the LUUCO. So when you unbox it, this is what you have in the box. You have this guy, this, and this. So it is good to note that this microphone is compatible with your laptop or your computer, your camera, DSLR camera, or even the traditional cameras. Then it's also compatible with phone, iPhones, and Android phones. So you have this cable here as well, and let me get okay. So in here you have this guy. So yeah, so there's these are the all the accessories that you have in the box. These are all the accessories that you have in the box. Here you have the mic itself, and you have 2 transmitter and 1 receiver, and then you have this adapter, which is type C to L. Okay, so this is USB type C, female to lightning, male OTG adapter. So if you have iPhone instead, you can make use of this. And then you have the windshield, which for the 2 transmitter, and then you have the charger and this adapter if you want to use this mic on your camera or on your computer. You want to use it to capture your audio, or maybe you want to capture the audio in a DAW, which is digital audio interface, whatever. Okay, so yeah, so let me remove this. So you can see once I put this up, okay, the light shows here, and down here on the box you charge it directly from here, or better still, you can remove it one by one and charge it as well. You can see right there. So let me take this out. These are the transmitters. So you have 2 transmitter. So you have 2 transmitters and 1 receiver here. So, and how do you use it? I'm going to just plug this into my phone, and so to switch from the phone microphone, which is the voice you're listening now, to this microphone. So I'm switching, I'm plugging it in. Okay, so I'm going to put this on my shirt. Okay, so this is the voice that is coming from the microphone. I have a lot of stuff plugging, have a bunch of computers plugged, that is on, and then you have a lot of other, equipments or electronics that is on as well. The air conditioning is also on, but yet you can see that the voice coming out from this microphone is very, very powerful. So like I said, it's compatible with iPad, phone, camera, and your laptop, okay, or computer. So then, according to LUUCO, this microphone operates at a range of 250 meters. So it doesn't matter if you're far away. I mean, 250 meters at least is a lot of, is a lot of distance. If you want to, maybe there's a reason to make use of that, especially so, for example, you're recording a documentary whereby you're working with maybe your actor, and the camera guy is coming from behind you guys. This is very good. Okay, so you have up to you capture a reliable audio at up to 250 meters, which is 820 line of sight. Okay, so, and dual channel receivers. Simultaneously, you can capture two subjects for interviews, podcasts, vlogs, and maybe newscasting, and host a lot of any program you're doing at all. This dual channel receiver can capture a fantastic audio for you. Like I said, my air conditioner is on, and a whole lot of other devices are plugged in this office. So, but still you can hear the audio coming in clean. And of course, why not? This microphone comes with a whooping the traditional 48 kilohertz and 16-bit sampling rate, which captures sound with crystal cleanness and intelligible. So you can hear me. I'm not shouting. I'm just speaking slowly into, explaining this, what this microphone is about. But you can hear the audio is fantastic. And like I said, I have my air conditioner and every other thing that is, noise, producing noise. But still, you can hear the microphone capturing a clean sound. And of course, the best part of this microphone is that it has a smart noise cancellation. So with just one button, you can turn on the noise cancellation and of course turn it off as well, meaning you can enable and disable the noise cancellation. Now I'm going to actually show you how if the noise cancellation is turned on. So the microphone, I've clipped on my shirt. The noise cancellation is turned off. Okay, it's disabled. And this one that you can see here right now with the green light has a noise cancellation turned on. Okay, so, or enabled. So I'm going to pull off this microphone, and as you can see, this has a blue light, meaning the noise cancellation option is turned off. So you can as well hear the ambient noise kind of at the background, which is not so much, but sometimes you want to make things feel natural. So you can still hear the ambient noise a little bit at the background, but now see the difference with the one that has noise cancellation enabled. You can see that even though the air conditioner is on, it's still capturing a very subtle, clean voice. Personally, I like to process my audio in audio editing software. So I'm not so much of a fan of turning this on, but there's a situation where I like to turn it on. Of course, that is why you have the option. And so to turn that on, you see this button here. So if I click this button here, see this button, there are two buttons here, and here is a power button, plus you see the sign there. You can see the sign there. Okay, so if I press and hold this button, is turned off. This microphone is turned on, off. So but meanwhile the other one is on. So if instead you want to make use of just one microphone, then you can turn the other off. Okay, so that it's not picking sounds. Okay, you can see this one is on. Okay, while this one is off, and this is where you turn it off. So I'm going to turn this back on now. So I've turned it back on, and to enable the noise cancellation, okay, this is what you do. Just press this button here, this button, you see. This other button is to actually mute the audio. So if I press this button, the audio is muted. Okay, so that's what it's used for. So if you want to turn the disable the noise cancellation, you just press it once again, and the light becomes blue. Yeah, so that is all that is. This microphone, like I said, you can charge it here. And another thing is, so let me show you the difference. What you can hear now is the microphone, and then, so what you can hear right now is noise cancellation. The smart noise cancellation is turned on, and what you can hear right now, the smart noise cancellation is disabled or turned off. Okay. Okay, so I purposefully did not turn off the air conditioner and other devices that can actually produce noise or generate noise, so that you see how clean this microphone is. I mean, this is designed for professional use. So you can see right here, and even though I'm also trying to playing with the microphone, you can see I'm scrubbing on this microphone. It's still not interfering as you would want it, except maybe, let me see if this can actually affect it. So I rub the microphone, turn it around, I'm scrub the microphone, but yet you can still see that it's capturing a very smart audio. So yeah, and the other thing you need to take note of is that this is actually, you can actually switch between mono, like I said, and stereo modes. Okay, so maybe you want to capture, you can actually signal from both transmitters that can be mixed together or record identically to left and right channels. So if you understand how the audio works, or especially if you're doing a professional you're producing professional content, and you understand audio, and for some reasons you want to capture both your left, maybe you want to capture both left and right. Okay, left and right, you can separate that, you can do that as well. And of course, this microphone is a plug and play. You can plug and play the pairing system right out of the box, right? And like I said, it has monitoring. You can monitor both, you can monitor your audio using this guy if you want to. Okay, so with the help of the RX, you can so the RX supports live monitoring and ensures that capturing clean and clear audio signal is possible. And then speaker play with RX plugged. I mean, you can actually, you don't have to, in other microphones, okay, you actually have to unplug everything. I mean, the transmitter, I'm sorry, the receiver from the phone before you can actually hear what you've recorded. But with the RX, okay, you can, preview or play back your audio, your recordings directly from, I mean, while the RX is plugged in, okay, or the receiver, right? So, and another thing you have to note is that you don't have to turn on, or see, I'm going to turn this off and turn this off. The box, it turns on despite turning it off. So once you remove it from the box, it turns on by itself. So it automatically turns on and off. Okay. Then another thing you have to take note of is that this guy comes with a windshield. A windshield is used if you want to maybe eliminate. A windshield is used if you want to eliminate the poof and sounds. As you can see, the audio is better, and yeah. So basically, we all know what the windshield is used for. Like I said, this microphone was built for professional use, and personally, I love it. Yeah. So. And well, what about the specification? Before I let you be, this microphone has a whooping. So this microphone transmits using the digital 22.4 kilohertz, okay, and it has a built-in microphone polar pattern, which is omnidirectional, and at a frequency range of 50 hertz to 20 kilohertz. All right, with a sensitivity of minus 32 dB plus 1.5 dB at 1 kilohertz, and operational range of 250 meter, which is 820 feet. Come on, that is huge. Okay, and of course, a signal to noise ratio of 80 dB, and maximum SPL of 110 dB SPL. Overall power consumption is 3.7 volts at 30 mega amps, with the bit depth of 16 bits, like I said, with a sampling rate of 48 kilohertz, which is mostly used for professional audio recordings. Battery capacity, like I said, you have 20 hours, which is the TX, works at 190 mega amps. Okay. Then charging case 1000 mega amps. Operating time is 8 hours. The TX operating time is the RX operates at with 8 hours, while the TX operates at 8 hours. Charging case approximately 1.5 times charging for 2x 2 times TX and 1 times the RX. Okay, so the RX charge at 2 hours, while the TX also charges at 2 hours. Okay, and like I said, the charging case is 2.5 hours. So if you're charging using the charging case, you're charging at 2.5 hours. Okay, you're charging direct, you have 2 hours, just 2 hours. Okay. Yeah, that is all that there is for this microphone. Like I said, I love this microphone. I bought this at, shout out to OK Japan. You know, I've been dealing with OK Japan for many, many years. Everybody in Lagos and Nigeria almost deals with OK Japan. And OK Japan is an OG in this business. Okay, he has nothing to do with this. They have nothing to do with this microphone, the Pro Talker S2. You know, just giving a shout out. Okay. And yeah, that's all you have to know. If you think this audio is, this microphone sounds better enough as compared to even the traditional professional microphones, then go get it. The pricing is cheap enough. The price is worth the money. Okay, I will advise though that if you can afford to get professional gears, then you go for it. Okay, there are microphones that are more expensive than this, but of course, this can compete head to head with them. Okay, like the DJI, was this other one, Sennheiser, and this other one, what's the name now? I've forgotten, but there are many microphones out there. There's Boya and the rest. So yeah, so go get it and start producing wonderful and content with crispy audio that your audience would love. Shout out to LUUCO for manufacturing this. Let's see how it's. They compete with the market or with other brands, and hopefully, I hope, maybe pray that they become, big, and of course with a lot of sales. So yeah, LUUCO, remember again, they are not the sponsors of this video. I bought this device with my money. And so I'm just giving a shout out to a good product. Okay, so this video is in no way, shape or form sponsored. I love this product, and that is why I'm doing the review. See you next time, guys, and bye bye.